Choosing the best certified roof installer in Vineland, New Jersey, depends on your roofing goals, your budget, the materials you prefer, and the level of service you're looking for. At All Pro High-End Roofing, we strive to earn your trust by providing reliable workmanship, honest recommendations, and personalized roofing solutions for homes and businesses. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro High-End Roofing. What are the signs that my gutters need repair? Common signs that your gutters need repair include cracks, holes, sagging sections, rust, peeling paint, or water pooling around your home's foundation. At All Pro High-End Roofing, we inspect your entire gutter system to identify issues early and provide professional gutter repair, gutter replacement, and gutter installation contractor services. Can clogged gutters cause roof leaks? Yes, clogged gutters can contribute to roof leaks by preventing rainwater from flowing properly through your rain gutters, box gutters, and street gutters. At All Pro High-End Roofing, we help prevent these issues by providing professional gutter repair, gutter replacement, gutter guard replacement, gutter guard repair, and gutter installation contractor services. What is your service area? Our All Pro High-End Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: South Vineland, Millville, Cumberland, East Vineland, Minnetonka, Buena Vista Township, Landisville, Newfield, Alliance, Pittsgrove, Deerfield, Rosenheim, Ollivant, Malaga, Clayton, Hamilton, Bridgeton, Hamilton, Vineland, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro High-End Roofing office located? We are located at 612 North Brewster Road, Suite A, Vineland, New Jersey 08361, United States. Our phone number is 856-292-7046.
Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/vineland-nj/